In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open your MT5 on your computer. And then what you want to do is go to top left where it says File and click on Open an Account. Now, from here, if you've never used this, your list is going to be completely empty. Usually, there's going to be just this MetaQuotes Ltd on here, okay? So, of course, now there's the most important part before you actually start opening a demo account. You have to decide if you want to open a demo account with MetaTrader, so with MetaQuotes Ltd, because you can do that very easily, or if you actually want to open it with a different broker and then connect your demo account from that specific broker to MT5 and use it on here. Now, if you want to do that, there's two ways. You could go to that broker's website. I do have multiple videos on how to connect different brokers and their demo accounts with MT5, so you can go watch that first. You'll find them on my channel. And then, of course, when you decide whatever you want to do, you can go and either go to that website or find a broker in here. So for example, if I go ahead and look for something, for example, Owanda or something like that, it's going to find that specific broker, and some of them are going to allow you to actually even open demo accounts in here. So let's check if this one does. Indeed, it does, as you can see. So I can click on, for example, a broker, next, and if there's an option to open a demo account over here using that specific broker, you can just click on next and put in your info, and that's going to work, okay? However, if you already have a demo account, you can just connect it down here using your login and password of your trading account from that specific broker. But of course, now we're not going to focus on that. I do have separate videos on that as well. I just wanted to tell you that this is an option. You don't have to open a demo account directly on MetaTrader. You can open it on a different broker as well and then connect it and essentially demo trade over here directly inside MT5. And some brokers, again, even allow you to open demo accounts directly from within MT5. Of course, you're going to have to provide your information, but you can still get it open on here. We're going to go to open account right now and open a MetaQuotes Ltd, which is going to be the default for MetaTrader, a demo account. So I'm going to click on here and then next. And as you can see, when I click on open a demo account and click on next again, and then on here, you basically will have to put in your information. So things like first name, second name, date of birth, email, and then of course your mobile number, and then the server you want to use, and of course the account type, deposit you want to put on here, and of course the leverage. And last but not least, you have to agree with their terms and conditions. Then you'll be able to click on this next button bottom right, and your demo account is going to be open. Okay, so if I click on next over here, there we go. As you can see, my demo account has now been open. I can click on the finish button and I'm going to be automatically signed in over here. There we go. And yeah, I've successfully opened a demo account in MT5. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.